Hello, my dear students. Today, on the occasion of International Women's Day, I would like to tell you the story of a famous women scientist, that is Marie Curie. You might have heard about her in your books. If I tell you about her early childhood, she was born in Warsaw on 7 November 1867, which was in Poland, and her real name was Marie Sklodowska, and her father was a teacher in senior secondary school, and she got her early education from the local schools itself. But in Poland, since there was encroachment of Russia and Austria, so she couldn't go for higher studies there. She had to leave Poland and she went to Paris for her higher studies. She had three sisters and one brother. And if I talk about her family after getting married, in Paris, when she went for higher studies, she met Pierre Curie, who was doing experiments in a lab, and one of their friends introduced Marie Curie to Pierre Curie, and she was working under Pierre Curie, and later years they got married in 1895. Pierre Curie was himself a physicist and a mathematician. In 1906, Pierre Curie died due to road accident. His mind was always preoccupied with his thoughts, and they had two daughters. Marie Curie got Nobel Prize, and she is the only person who got two times Nobel Prize. The first one she shared with his husband, that is Pierre Curie and Henry Becquerel. And second one she got in chemistry in 1911 for the discovery of polonium. She got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903, and she got Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911. And other than this, she got many other awards, and some of them are like this: John Scott Legacy Medal 1921, Davy Medal, Benjamin Franklin Medal, and the first one, the Nobel Prize, was shared with husband for discovery of radium, and the another was polonium, using techniques she invented for isolating radioactive isotopes. Here we can see the picture of radium also. And some of the famous facts about Madame Curie are as follows. Madame Curie is the only person, man or woman, to get two Nobel Prizes. And all her family members are honored with Nobel Prizes. One of her daughters got a prize for artificial radioactive material, and another daughter of her got Nobel Prize in Peace. And Madame Curie died at the age of 66 due to aplastic anemia from exposure to radiation. So, the thoughts of Marie Curie at last: be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. Thank you.